my king. In the company of beavers, where life begins. Their dam's a fortress, their family tight. In their world, I found my guiding light. Leaving society, bidding farewell to dwell with beavers in their woodland shell. Underneath the stars where the rivers flow, in the heart of nature where I long to grow. No more concrete jungles, no more city streets, just the rustle of leaves and the river's beat. In the simplicity of their ways I found my creed. With the beavers I plant my seed. Leaving society, bidding farewell to dwell with beavers in their woodland shell. Underneath the stars where the rivers flow, in the heart of nature where I long to grow. So here I'll stay among the trees, with the gentle hum of nature's ease. In the embrace of my beaver kin, a wilder life where I begin. Among the trees I found my key. In the company of beavers where life begins. Their dams are fortress, their family tight. In their world I found my guiding light. No more concrete jungles, no more city streets, just the rustle of leaves and the river's beat. In the simplicity of their ways I found my creed. With the beavers I plant my seed. Leaving society, bidding farewell to dwell with beavers in their woodland shell. Underneath the stars where the rivers flow, in the heart of nature where I long to grow. So here I'll stay among the trees, with the gentle hum of nature's ease. In the embrace of my beaver kin, a wilder life where I in the embrace of my beaver kin, a wilder life where I where I where no more concrete jungles, no more city streets, just a rustle of leaves and the river's beat. In the simplicity of their ways I found my creed. With the beavers I plant my seed. Leaving society, bidding farewell to dwell with beavers in their woodland shell.